Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our section with a definition that is acid number. In the former video of lipid, we have learned about rancidity, two different types of rancidity. And this acid number is a property shown by fat in relation with the rancidity. So you will understand in the course of explanation. So let's see what is its definition. Acid value means it is the number of milligrams of potassium hydroxide required to neutralize. That is the important reaction happening, neutralization reaction. Neutralize what? Neutralize free fatty acid present in 1 gram fat. Neutralize free fatty acid present in 1 gram fat. So that is the that number is the acid number. So once more, 1 gram fat, if it contains free fatty acid, we are neutralizing it by adding KOH. So, how much amount is required to completely neutralize the available free fatty acid? That amount, that number is acid number. So I don't know whether you know or not what is neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction means it is a reaction between acid and alkali or base and result in the formation of salt and water. So this is the neutralization reaction that is happening here. So for a fat sample, if the acid number is high, it means that it contains more free fatty acid. And when that when that free fatty acid is forming in a fat, when it becomes rancid, when it becomes spoil. So at that time, free fatty acid is forming as one product in that fat. So clear? So high acid number indicates that that fat is rancid fat. Acid number increases with the increase in rancidity. So acid number directly proportional to rancidity. Clear? So that's what I'm going to show you here. We took 1 gram fat. To that we are adding KOH and as free fatty acid are present in that sample, it undergoes neutralization. So that is acid number. And what is its application? We can find or we can measure the rancidity. How we can measure rancidity? As free fatty acids are normally forming during decomposition of triglycerides. And we learned that acid value increases with rancidity. Okay, I hope it is clear, very much clear to you. Next, we are going to see iodine number. Iodine number, what is the definition? It is a measure of a degree of unsaturation. That is the important point. Degree of unsaturation of fat or oil or wax. It is measuring how much unsaturated that fat or oil. That is measuring. That indicates through this iodine number. So, as that fat become more unsaturated, it can take that much amount of iodine. Okay, that is what written here. It is the amount of iodine in grams. It is taken up by 100 grams of oil, fat, or wax, whatever it be. So that is it. The principle is that I already explained to you. In the case of saturated oils, we know that saturated oils doesn't have any double bonds or triple bonds. So they cannot take up iodine. So its iodine number will be 0. Okay. And in the case of unsaturated oils, fats, and waxes, as unsaturation is there, they can take up iodine. So, as the iodine number is high, that indicates that oil or fat is that much unsaturated. So that is what the more iodine is attached, the higher is the iodine value, and that fat is more reactive, less stable, softer, and susceptible to oxidation and rancidification. Clear? So, a fat that is having high iodine number indicates that it is more susceptible to rancidification. It can spoil so fast. Okay, so in what way we are testing this iodine number? So we need to add iodine, right? So what iodine we are usually adding? Iodine monochlorate to oil or fat or wax. And after adding, then we are titrating. We are doing titration. For what? To identify, to calculate the amount of unreacted iodine present in the solution. To find out unreacted iodine. So that is the procedure, simple procedure of that test to find the iodine number. So the important thing is that the fat with high iodine number is more susceptible to rancidification, and it measures the degree of unsaturation. Okay, clear? I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.